Good evening, my dear students. Hope you are all fine. We have been discussing about tenses. Right from the beginning, from simple sentence, simple present, present continuous, present perfect continuous, simple past, past continuous, past perfect continuous, and then simple future. Till simple future we have seen. Though we have been taking some more long time, I think most of us are very clear about individual tense. Every tense or individual tenses. Now, as we had been asking many doubts, I thank God that I was being able to explain you also. Anyway, kindly watch the video carefully. Then, if you have got any doubt, kindly ask me through your cell or my individual cell. You can call me and ask me. But kindly watch the video carefully. Don't put on and go elsewhere. Boys, you do that. Most of the girls are watching the class, I believe. Not all boys didn't listen, but some boys really do listen or watch the video properly. I do understand, I do agree with. And those who are seeing and those who are going to see, let me bless them wholeheartedly. The others also kindly start seeing the video carefully. It's okay. Now let's get into future continuous. Let me give small intro. No. Small description. Listen carefully. What happens is simple present. What is happening at present continuous. What has happened, present perfect. What has been happening, that means the thing that has been happening. Likewise, in simple past, what happened, past continuous. What was happening, past perfect. What had happened, the thing that had happened. Past perfect continuous, the thing which had been happening, being felt or being expressed or being thought. In simple future, what will happen, the thing which will happen in future is being felt, is being expressed, is being referred. Now, in future continuous, nothing but the thing which is going to happen in future or the thing which will be happening in future is known to be future continuous. The thing which is going to happen or which will be happening is being felt or being expressed or being identified is the tense future continuous. Shall we get into the future continuous? Yes, please kindly listen. Future continuous tense will be framed like this. Completely subject shall or will and be plus ing form of the verb or verb form 4 plus object. See, we have known the distinction between shall and will. Will refer to certainty of or surety of doing the work. Shall, may do. Say for example, I shall come home. Now, I will come home. I will definitely come home. Likewise, okay, that's there. Keywords, there are some more keywords. Tomorrow, next day, next week, next month, next year, next week, next day, next Sunday, next Monday, next Tuesday, next evening, next morning, next noon. These are all can be the keywords. See, at this time specification regarding in future, at this time in future refers to only future continuous tense. Now, I shall be waiting for you at this time tomorrow. And then we shall be waiting for you at this time tomorrow. You shall be waiting for me at this time tomorrow. He will be waiting for you. he will be waiting for you at this time tomorrow. She I had changed. She will be doing her homework at this time next day. Next day, the day to come. Okay, it will be flying near the sky. It will be flying, may I say pigeon. Pigeon will be flying near the sky. Or crow or eagle, anything can add up. They will be watching TV. Now, just to know the indication of usage or use how to use future continuous tense, we are learning. This is rightest way to learn. This is the way that we happen to learn. In case of having any doubt, you can ask me. This tense is also useful for continuous action which is going to happen in future. Okay, and there is one more continuous, is the future perfect continuous. That also will be able to see. That also will be able to see now or a bit later. Doesn't matter. Now, shall we get into be verb formation? Okay, thank you. Now listen carefully. What happens to our mind to say this? For the usage of be verbs, usage of be verbs, in this future continuous tense, see, in most of the situation and most of the days and time or phases, we never use like this, I shall be being. But we must know in future continuous tense how to use be verb. How to use be verb, how it is used, we should know. For that case only we are seeing. Otherwise, mostly in most of the cases, I shall be being, we rarely happen to say, I will be in the house. You will be in the house, you will be in the school. Like that, we happen to say ordinarily or occasionally or regularly sometimes. But whereas I shall be being, mostly we don't use, but for the usage of knowing, we must know. I shall be being a warden at this hostel. We shall be being at home next week during this time. You shall be being at home with the next week during this time. He shall be. You can use, instead of he, we can use any name of the person. My father will be being at home next week during this time. She, my mother, will be being in the playground for playing. Mother we never use. Sometimes my sister or my friend will be being in the playground for playing. Crow will be being in the nest. Bullocks will be being in the shed. So, we have discussed, we have been knowing what is future continuous tense. We have learnt the usage of be verbs and how to frame future continuous tense. Let's see fill-ups. Shall we? Thank you. Yes, boys, please kindly listen. See, fill in the blanks with correct tense form of the verb. See, I dash study +2. I study and say for an example, you can add up with the in you can add up. See, I shall dash study in +2 at this time next year. What can come? Definitely referring to the time as well as the keyword next year. Definitely it can come with future continuous tense. Future continuous tense. Now future continuous tense, what is the rule? Shall or will plus be plus ing form of the verb or verb form 4. Now what will happen? I shall be studying or I will be studying. Both are correct. So there. Again, my friends, shall we write the answer there? Shall be studying. Studying. Kindly listen the class properly so that you can easily. Now only we have come to public question paper pattern. Okay, so that please kindly listen. My friends dash watch CSK cricket match at this time coming Monday. Coming Monday, referring to future. At this time, referring to future continuous. So future continuous, what is the rule? Shall or will plus be plus ing form. So here, my friends, mostly will. Shall is mostly used for I and we. Sometimes you. Okay. And if for other thing, third person, singular and plural and all, we can use will. So will be watching. What is the ing form or verb form for? Verb form for watching. Okay. Now, third one. Kavya dash become doctor at this time within next 4 years. What will be our answer? Definitely next year represents what is the next 4 years represent future time. This time exactly referring to present future continuous. So Kavya will be becoming. Okay, right answer. If you know the answer, kindly tell me. If you don't know answer, also you call me. Will be becoming. Now, next one, fourth one, we dash concentrates on NEET exam during these days, summer days next year. Definitely future, and then during these days, referring to presently happening at next year. Okay, so future continuous tense. Sure, we can make it sure that it's future continuous tense. For future continuous, shall or will be concentrating. Let's use shall. So shall be concentrating. Now, fifth one. My father dash care me at this time 2022. So 2022 automatically what it refers? Future. Now it is 2021. So let's add up with. So this is referring to future. At this time it's referring to future for continuous tense. Let's use my father will. What is the rule? Shall or will plus be plus ing form of the verb. So my father will be carrying. So my father will be carrying. That's all. That is the answer. Will be carrying. That's all. If you have got any doubt, kindly share with me or ask me. I will definitely make you clear. I believe God will help me definitely to do so. Thank you. Yeah, kindly listen. See, future perfect tense. Future perfect mostly is used the thing which will have happened. தமிழ்ல ஒரு செயல் நடந்து முடிக்கப் போவதை அல்லது முடித்திருப்பதை சொல்லக்கூடிய ஒரு காலம். Again I repeat, the thing which will have happened. The thing which will have happened. Say, will have happened or will have finished. Say for an example, in simple future, the thing which will happen. Future continuous, the thing which will be happening. Future perfect, the thing which will have happened is future perfect. Okay, that's being felt or referred or expressed here. Now listen me carefully. Most of the times keywords are used to be by the end of tomorrow, by the end of next week, by the end of next month, by the end of next year, next Monday, next Tuesday, by the end of next morning, by the end of next evening, by the end of next noon. Can add up anything again. By the end of next night, can add up. Now, I shall have completed my project by next week. தமிழ்ல அடுத்த வாரத்துக்குள்ள என்னுடைய ப்ராஜெக்டை முடித்திருந்திருப்பேன். ஃபியூச்சர். முடித்து கொண்டிருப்பேன் ஃபியூச்சர் கண்டினியூஸ். முடித்திருந்திருப்பேன் ஃபியூச்சர் பர்ஃபெக்ட். முடித்து கொண்டு இருந்திருப்பேன் future perfect continuous, which we are going to see bit later. Okay, please, so that for your understanding I am pronouncing it in Tamil. Okay, doesn't matter. Get into. I shall have completed my project by next week. We shall have finished the work by the end of next month. You shall have finished the work by the end of next month. Ramu will have taught maths by the next week. That is, Ramu will finish, he will teach maths by next week. That means he's here to teach you now. Okay, likewise. Raji will have done the job well by next day. The mouse will have swallowed the earthworms. They will have caught the thief by next month. You know, this is merely what is going to happen in future is being felt. Mostly. Understand? This is the tenses. This is the tense that is referring to. Okay? Let's get into be verbs formation. Shall we? Okay.